Nowadays, cryptocurrencies and bitcoins are the talk of the town. We all must have heard about cryptocurrencies and bitcoin and might have thought that both are the same thing. But in reality, there are more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies in the market and bitcoin is just one of them. All the other cryptocurrencies except bitcoin are known as altcoins. In this video, we can discuss what are altcoins, how they work, what are the different types of altcoins, pros and cons of the altcoin, and how altcoins are different from bitcoins. So let's start the video. Altcoin are the cryptocurrencies which are launched after the success of Bitcoin. Altcoin is the combination of two words alt and coin and includes all the alternative of Bitcoins. In simpler words, all the cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoins are termed as altcoins. Each altcoin operates in its own rules. Many altcoins are trying to target the perceived limitation of Bitcoins. Generally, successful altcoins have a competitive advantage over the Bitcoin, which helps them succeed in the market. Altcoins work on the same blockchain format same as Bitcoins. In cryptocurrencies such as these, there is a blockchain, or we can also call it a ledger, where all the transactions are permanently and publicly recorded so that exchanges can't be altered or denied. Blockchain is a simple yet ingenious way of passing information from A to B in a fully automated and safe manner. The blockchain is secured by mathematical proofs which confirms transaction in blocks. As altcoin evolved, there emerged different categories of altcoins. Majorly, altcoin can be broadly divided into 4 to 5 categories, such as mining-based cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, security tokens, and utility tokens. Mining-based cryptocurrencies have a mining process by which new coins are generated by solving challenging problems to unlock blocks. They are more similar to Bitcoin than any other altcoins. One of the examples of mining-based cryptocurrencies is Ethereum. In case of stablecoins, the volatility of stablecoins are less than Bitcoins, because in case of stablecoins, the value of it is tied to existing currencies. Popular choices for backing stablecoins are US dollars, euros, golds, etc. One of the good examples of stablecoins is Facebook's Libra. Security tokens. The value of security tokens are linked to a business and they often launch in an initial coin offering. Security tokens often resemble to traditional stocks and they often promise some type of dividend like payout or ownership in a business. Utility tokens provide a claim on service and they are sometimes sold as a part of initial coin offering. One of the good examples of utility tokens is Filecoin. Filecoins are designed to be exchangeable for decentralized file storage space. The pros of altcoins are that they improve on Bitcoin's flaws, they provide competition, and have low transaction fees. Altcoins are generally designed to address a perceived shortcoming with the Bitcoin framework, whether it is speed, mining cost, or some other factor. By tweaking rules under which Bitcoin operates, altcoin creators make space for new competitors to the Bitcoin system. One of the benefits of using altcoins as a payment system, in addition to secure block technology, is its relatively low transaction fees charged for each transaction. So the cons of altcoins are that they are very volatile and have a high potential of scam and frauds. As an investment, altcoins are very new and their value can change very drastically. In some cases, altcoin along with bitcoins are frequently the subject of scams and other fraudulent activities. So in this video, we have discussed what are altcoins, what are the different types of altcoins, how do they work, what are their pros and cons, and much more. Bitcoin has an early lead and the advantage of the biggest name and the largest market cap. However, altcoins continue to grow in popularity relative to Bitcoin. So if you have any thoughts, opinion or suggestion, feel free to write it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.